channel Regis and Goa Vlog. So today's video, I'm gonna make cheese pizza. So the ingredients is pizza dough, mozzarella cheese, hot dog, because I like hot dog, and spaghetti sauce. Okay, so we will start by putting the sauce. Oh my god. Okay, I think it's pretty well because this is a mini pizza. Because this is a little dough. Okay, add more. Whoa.
What is that?
I don't know. Maybe that's just. Oh, this is from the spaghetti pizza.
Spaghetti sauce. So like that.
Oh, I'm getting so hungry. I like the sauce. Super cool. Can I? Now, time to put some cheese, my favorite. No. Oh, this looks yummy. Some here. Put some here. Some here. I'm gonna put it in right now. Now I'm gonna put some hot dogs. This is gonna look yummy. Real pork na.
Hi sa Zamboanga, Rexy. Mag-hi ka sa mga taga Zamboanga. Say, buenas noche.
Buenas noches.
Sabihin mo sa kanila na na nag-report ka about sa Chabacano. How did you say it?
I said it, Chabacano style.
Report because you...
So, the pizza is ready to cook. We will put it now in the oven, 180 degrees Celsius.
Okay.
Okay, can I put it? Cause the oven. Now, my pizza is already in the oven, so we will wait 10 to 15 minutes. Also, I have a practical in PE. It's called Dancing with Implements. So, it's about you need to dance using implements like ribbon, hula hoop, sticks, ball, or rope. I said it five. What I choose is ribbon, and the song is Venus. My favorite teacher was, if I raise my hand, sometimes she calls me.
Why? How about the other teachers? Didn't call you?
Call me because every time I raise my hand, I don't want to raise my hand, they instantly call me. I accidentally raised my hand. Oh no.
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is math. only for today because it's about rounding numbers. It's totally easy. 100%.
Always perfect. Right?
Always perfect. And math and art, because I like art, painting.
Oh, you forgot it.
Oh, also, if you want to know about how can you put emojis using MacBook. Oh, I searched in Google. Thank you, Google, if you're supporting you. Thank you, Google. If you're using MacBook, you need to press Command, Control, and Spacebar at the same time. There will be some emojis that you can see, and you can pick that one what you want to send. That's
Really?
how. Like you press Command, Control, and Spacebar. If you press it together, there will be
What emoji?
Hmm?
What emoji?
emojis like heart emoji, happy emoji,
Happy.
smile
How to make
emoji.
happy emoji?
Oh, if you don't know how to make any emojis using Command, Control, and Spacebar, you can use, what is that called? Some dots, and use a D. Dot and D that will symbolizes a happy smile.
Oh, really? Happy smile?
Yeah, happy smile.
Okay.
Happy smile.
Ah.
If you want to make a sad smile, use 2 dots up in there and use the up in 0. You need shift 0 that will make you sad face. Okay.
Si ano, magbisaya ka sa maayong gabi sa tanan sa taga Davao.
Maayong gabi sa tanan sa taga Davao.
Maayong gabi.
Maayong gabi.
Gabi.
Gabi. Okay,
Yeah.
there. Ayaw na yung maayong buntag.
O maayong buntag.
That is, the
Good.
English is good morning.
O maayong buntag sa tanan.
Ito, maayong buntag, Maestra Bell. That is the meaning of good morning, Teacher Bell. My mom is also a teacher.
Pakilala ang Sambuanga.
El mapa de Zamboanga. Zamboanga es un ciudad na Pilipinas, donde puede encontrar na región 9. Zamboanga City, el capital del Zamboanga. El lenguaje na Zamboanga ay Chabacano. El Chabacano un poquito español. Sida conversa tu Chabacano na pueblo del Zamboanga. Como talla tú na ciudad del España.
Wow.
Gracias! As in, thank you! Here's the update of my pizza. OMG! Wow! This is so yummy! I want to eat this now. This is super yummy. It smells yummy. It tastes yummy. But I don't know if it's yummy.
Very yummy.
Yep, it's very yummy. Super. Time to eat! Oh, hot.
Mga unta ninyo.
Ang taan niya.
Oh! Sarap.
Mainit?
Sabroso.
Yummy.
Sabroso.
Sabroso. Sabi mo sabroso.
Sabroso! Yummy!
Sa Bisaya, lami.
Lami!
Mga unta ninyo, dali. Yan sila.
I'm hot. It's super hot. I want to drink water.
Water. Mga unta.
Need to eat.
Sabroso.
Sabroso! Lami!
Lami. Mga unta ninyo.
Mga unsa ninyo.
Mga unta ninyo.
Mga unsa ninyo.
Mga unta.
Mga unsa.
Mga unta
Mga unsa
ninyo.
ninyo.
Kalami, yun ay.
Kalami. Lami kayo, dali. Sige na, say. Lami kaayo.
Am I full or what?
Lami kaayo. Ako ang nagluto, ani. Ina. Ako ang nagluto. Sige.
Ako yung nagluto.
Ako ang nagluto, ani. Pizza. Lami kaayo. Yummy, yummy. Pizza by Rexy. Thank you, Rexy, for this.
Homemade pizza.
Yeah, homemade
Homemade
pizza. Easy cook pizza.
Now, where is talking?
Yeah. Sarap. Lami.
Ang sarap!
Ano ang lami sa ano? Ano ang sarap sa Arabic?
So, this is the end of the video. This is my result of my delicious homemade pizza. Bon appetit!
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. If you want to bake a pizza like mine, just watch this video, subscribe, like, and share. See you guys next time. Goodbye.
Okay,
Bye.
gracias.
Gracias. Bye. Thank you.
Adto na ko.
Adto na ako.